Well, we're here in Fairfield County at their Workforce Center. Places like the Fairfield County Workforce Center is essential to Ohio's workforce mixes because it really gives a place for employers and workers to come together and identify careers for the future and to provide the training necessary for those careers.
The pre-apprenticeship side, which is really where we get the bulk of our interest, is for high school seniors. And we have a pre-apprenticeship in carpentry, in HVAC, in electric, in engineering technology. We have one in plumbing, and we have one in phlebotomy, and then wastewater and water management. So we've got a total of 7 different programs that students that are going into their high school senior year can decide where they want to go, what kind of skills they want to learn, and what kind of career they're looking for.
I chose the apprenticeship route because I thought it was going to be more beneficial in the long run to get my journeyman license. I knew this was the right fit for me because I really learned hands-on. I'm not very lecture, sit down in a classroom kind of academics. I learn a lot hands-on, and that's been really working for me.
So apprenticeships are an essential part of the Ohio labor economy, and we're really excited and proud in Ohio that we are 3rd in the country in terms of the number of apprenticeship programs and 1st in the Midwest. And so this is really a great place to live and raise a family and have a great job through an apprenticeship program. So anyone who's looking for a career opportunity can start one of 2 places. One is OhioMeansJobs.com, the other is their local Ohio Means Jobs Center. Both of those places, both online and the kind of bricks and mortar office, are great places to start a career search, whether they're looking for skills training, apprenticeships, or a job, resume assistance. Those kinds of things are all available through those 2 resources.